In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AdSense with YouTube. Join me as we go through the process, highlighting some key points and providing tips to ensure you have a smooth experience. Whether you're a content creator looking to monetize your videos, or just curious about how the connection between Google AdSense and YouTube works, this guide will walk you through each necessary step. First things first, head over to YouTube. You can do this by typing www.youtube.com into your browser's address bar, or by clicking on a bookmark if you've got one set. YouTube is where all the magic starts, serving as the platform where your content will be displayed and hopefully where you'll start earning through your videos. Once you're on YouTube, look for your profile picture, which is located at the top right corner of the page. This little icon is essentially your gateway to all things personal on YouTube, including your channel settings, analytics, and more. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is a creator's command center offering insights, video management features, and importantly, monetization settings. The option might be nestled amongst other features, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on YouTube Studio will take you into the back end of your YouTube channel where all the behind-the-scenes action happens. Now that you're in YouTube Studio, your next destination is the Earn tab. Depending on the layout and any updates YouTube has made, the Earn tab could appear with different terminology such as monetization. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. This tab is crucial as it's the place where you can manage and understand how you earn money from your YouTube videos. In the Earn section, you'll see an option to get notified in order to connect it with AdSense. This step is critical for the monetization process. By enabling this option, YouTube will notify you when you're eligible to connect your account to Google AdSense, which is the system Google uses to distribute ad revenue to creators. It's worth noting that there are eligibility requirements for monetization, including a certain number of watch hours and subscribers, so make sure you've met those criteria before proceeding. Click on the Get Notified option. This action tells YouTube that you're interested in monetizing your content and initiates the process to connect your channel to Google AdSense. It's the step that bridges your creative efforts on YouTube with the potential to earn from them. So, what happens next? Once you click to get notified, you'll be part of the queue for monetization review. YouTube will check to ensure your channel meets all the guidelines and requirements. During this time, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the AdSense policies if you haven't already, to ensure a smooth approval process. Also, consider refreshing your knowledge on YouTube's monetization policies to align your content accordingly. In the meantime, keep creating and uploading content. The more engaging and original your videos are, the better your chances of succeeding not just in the approval process, but in attracting more viewers and subscribers, which directly impacts your earnings potential. Connecting Google AdSense with YouTube is a pivotal step for any content creator looking to earn revenue from their videos. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're on your way to unlocking a new revenue stream. Remember, the key is not just to create, but to create content that resonates with your audience. Engaging content coupled with a well set up monetization channel can significantly impact your earnings. Thank you for watching this guide on how to connect Google AdSense with YouTube. It's an exciting journey you're embarking on, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Keep creating, stay consistent, and here's to your success on YouTube.